Hi guys! Hello! Kailangan natin maghanap buhay, Mare. Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel! So for today's video, I have duck on my head. No? So cute little duck. Nipis ng buhok ko. Kita niyo naman yung anit ko deh. So I am going to do laundry now. Actually, I'm doing laundry already. So come and join me do my laundry. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, like that. And put it here. Ayan. Magbabalaw na tayo more. Pangalawang balaw ko na. Ayan. Diba?